12 cosmetic products that make us waste our money. Manufacturers of cosmetics show us their products in the best light possible. It seems that between all the commercials and beautiful packaging, cosmetic companies play to our insecurities. Through their marketing, they convince us that the ingredients or attributes of their products are very important and necessary when it comes to our appearance. But it's not always like that. We at Brightside found out which cosmetic products you definitely don't need because they are basically useless. Pay attention to this list to avoid being disappointed. 1. Big eyeshadow palettes. When you are in a cosmetics store, it's so easy to spend half your salary on 100-200 different shadows. It might seem like they're all really necessary, and the variety is amazing. But, in fact, you will probably not ever need or use that many different colors. What to buy instead? High-quality palettes. 7-10 shades that you really like and that you can mix and match with different kinds of makeup. 2. Shampoo for all hair types. Sometimes you might think that a shampoo for all hair types is the easiest purchase, because it's all-encompassing and won't do any harm. But all of us are different, and just like we have different types of clothes, we also have different types of hair. Additionally, universal shampoos can cause the appearance of dandruff and the over-drying of hair. What to use instead? The best choice is to buy shampoo according to your hair type. If you have doubts about your type, you should consult a specialist. 3. Huge set of brushes. In this situation, many people think that more means better. Why not buy a kit of 25-30 brushes? You might need them one day, right? Well, probably not. You are actually very unlikely to try all of them even once. Unless you are a professional makeup artist, this is a waste of money. What to use instead? A kit with 10-12 professional brushes that you will definitely use. 4. Body and lip scrub. Modern beauty aisles or cosmetic stores offer a lot of different types of scrubs. Beautiful packages promise that you will have baby soft skin. But most of these products are based on very simple things: honey, coffee, salt, olive oil. Why buy something that you can make at home and know all the ingredients? What to use instead? Make scrub at home. It's very easy to find the recipe online. Another option: just use a sponge. 5. Face cream with Botox. The magic effect of Botox is very attractive. It tightens the skin, paralyzing the muscles. It's generally injected beneath the surface with needles. And there's no way that it can get to your muscles through a cream and give you the same effect. Of course, the cream will have some positive results, not thanks to Botox, but to the other ingredients in anti-aging creams. What to use instead? See a dermatologist if you really want Botox injections. 6. Bottom lash mascara. Obviously, cosmetic manufacturers think that as long as they can create a demand, they will be able to make money from the thing they supply. So, now they make mascara for both the top and bottom eyelashes. And some girls really believe that they need different mascaras. But this is no more than a marketing move. A regular mascara can do the job. What to use instead? Use one high-quality mascara from a reliable brand. 7. Anti-aging serums. People want to believe that there's one magical thing can somehow make their skin look young again. And the big price for the magical product seems kind of convincing. But there's an important thing you should know. There is no product that can get to the deepest layers of your skin and flatten the wrinkles from the inside. All that you can really hope for is just good old-fashioned moisturizing. And a simple moisturizing cream can do the same. What to use instead? A good moisturizing cream. And if you want to look that young again, you probably need plastic surgery. 8. Cream for reducing dark circles under eyes. Of course, nobody looks better with dark circles under their eyes. But the truth is, these creams are useless too. All they can do is mask the circles a little bit. In most cases, if the dark circles appear near the vessels, there is absolutely no way that a cream can help. And, if the reason why you have the circles is a lack of sleep, the only solution is to get some good rest. What to use instead? Always use a cream that matches your skin type. And about the circles, you'll need to deal with the reasons you have them. 9. Moisturizing hair masks. The stickers on the package promise a lot. Healthy hair, no split ends. However, you can't make your hair healthier without treating the hair follicles. All that the masks can do is make your hair easier to brush. What to use instead? See a stylist. And if you want to improve the health of your hair, see your doctor. 10. Cream with hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is the substance that holds in moisture and helps produce proteins needed for the normal workings of the body's tissues. With age, the resources of this acid become smaller and the aging of skin starts. Because the molecules of this substance are too big, they can't get deep under the skin. So, don't expect any usefulness from using hyaluronic acid. The only way it can get deep is with injections. What to use instead? See your dermatologist and have a series of injections. 11. Conditioners. You don't need to wash off. It might seem that this product can easily solve all your hair problems, split ends, the color issues, etc. Yes, this conditioner can make your hair soft and smooth, but it has no effect on its health. What to use instead? A regular conditioner. And treat your hair problems using a specialist. 12. Shower gel. Many shower gels dry the skin too much, destroying its protective layer. That's why you should be really careful about the gel you use. You might actually need a special soap. What to use instead? Use a high-quality moisturizing soap or shower gel. And what secrets of choosing cosmetic products do you have?